Alright, so this is just a quick how to change out the shift knob bag. You can do whatever you want for whether you want Crown Royal or anything, but basically all you have to do is pop out this plastic real quick, and so just a little plastic tool, and depending on what kind of shift knob you have, you'll either need a flathead screwdriver if you have an OEM one. Mine is Allen key, so you would just loosen up the Allen key. You can't really see it because of this right here is covering it. Or you can, yeah. And then all you'll have to do is these clips all around the side, just loosen up, just push them down, pop it out. Then there'll be 8 staples, 1 on each side and corner. Take those out, put the new boot in, cut it to whatever you need it to cut to, and then all you need to do is put the staples back in, and then simply just pop this back in. Simple as that. If I can get it popped back in. A little bit more difficult with one hand. Sometimes you have to make sure, that's why it's not going back in, to make sure that this little foam piece underneath is clipped in properly, or else your plastic won't go back in. Just like that. Pretty easy. Only took me about a half hour. I have a few other parts coming in. I put these clips up, clean up all the wires in my car. Other parts I have coming in, I have the subframe insert. I have a black roof wrap coming in. I also have some intake heat tape coming in, and a few other things. So I'll be posting more videos pretty soon. Thanks. Subscribe and like.